Okay, here's how to get the most out of your work inside of the program with regards to tempo and rep scheme. Rep scheme would be 4 to 6 reps. We're gonna do a front squat of a 3-2-x-0 tempo, okay? What this means, and what this always means regardless of the lift, is that you're gonna do somewhere between 4 and 6 reps. You're aiming for 6, but if you can do more than 6, it's not heavy enough. If you can do 4 and cannot make it to 5, that's fine. If you can only do 3, it's too heavy, you've gotta go less so you can stick inside this zone. Now that's primary focus, but this is imperative to stick to, the tempo, the cadence. If you're moving faster than 3, 2, x, 0, then you have to change something to fit these both. It's not one or the other, it is both. So check this out. This is the front squat. Imagine that I get to a point, it's 3, 2, x, 0. I know you can still faintly see that. I've got to take 3 seconds coming down, 2 seconds at the bottom, explode up, and no rest at the top. So let's say I'm on rep number 4. 3, 2, 1, hold, 2, explode, 3, 2, 1, hold, 2, explode. But I need to take a break. That's it. Because of that prescribed tempo, that's all you have for that lift. Now, you can try it again. You can take off a tiny amount. You can get a little bit more mentally strong and try to grind it out a second time and count it. But for that example, the 0 is imperative. And if you had to stand at the top and hold for a second, it's too heavy with respect to the tempo guideline, okay? So you must adhere to this. If you can adhere to this, then go for gold within this. If you're sticking to the tempo perfectly and you find that it's still too heavy to hit 4 to 6 reps, then you've got to take some load off. If you find that you can do more than 6 reps, don't just call it there. Push your limits, find your edge, and see what you can do. That's how you're gonna get the most out of this. You can always take a set to kind of push your limits, back off, take a little extra rest, and then redo it with slightly less or more mental drive to be successful in it. Once you see you've got 3 sets of this, we want 3 really challenging sets within here, and the ultimate optimization would be to hit your first set at 6 with this perfect tempo, only get to 5 on your second set, only get to 4 on your third set, something like that, okay? Typically when I lift, my first one, I get to 6, it feels okay. I add more weight, I'm still able to get to 6. I add more weight, and then I'm able to get to like 4 or 5. And it's gonna be different depending on your muscular endurance, your strength endurance, your power, your body shape. All these things go into how you perform. But again, confines, and that's why we look for a range instead of just exactly 4 reps or exactly 6 reps. This is all gravy as long as you're adhering to these.